farmers and enthusiasts, and welcome back to African Farm Tech.
Hello dear learners, I'm Mustafa Jarso from African Farm Tech. Today I'm here to provide a tutorial course on agricultural machinery and implement course that designed specifically for BSc in rural development and agricultural extension students. Let me present the course outline drafted from the curriculum of agricultural and engineering department. This course carries about 3 credit hours and no prerequisite, and it is mandatory for this department students. At the end of completion of this course, it is expected from the students to be fully understand about farm mechanization and its scope, application of different types of tillage, planting, weed control, harvesting, storage of agricultural products, and selecting appropriate mechanization which is suitable for the policy, environment, soils, climate, crop, and operational at hand. Another one is machinery costs, that is estimating the ownership, variable timeline costs for various field operations. Make key management decisions such as way of acquiring machinery service and extending service life, and to replace mechanization, input and comparing between mechanization alternatives. Those will be expected from the students at the end of this course, which is the objectives of the courses. The course has about 8 chapters. The chapter 1 is about introduction to farm mechanization. In these chapters, the concepts such as tools, implement machine and machinery will be discussed. The scope and the objective of mechanization will be seen, and at the end, the level of mechanization will be identified. Under the chapter 2, we will discuss about the tillage, what the tillage, objective of the tillage, types of the tillage practice, types of tillage implements, what types of tillage implement we use for the primary tillage, secondary tillage, and tertiary tillages. Under chapter 3, we will discuss about the planting equipment, starting from the classifications of planting equipment, what are their components and how we can calibrate for the use of this equipment will be discussed in this chapter. In chapter 4, details about fertilizers equipment, types of the fertilizer and the types of fertilizer applicator will be discussed in chapter in detail. In chapter 5, about plant protection equipment. What are the plant protection methods, chemical and their methods of application, sprayers and dusters, principal component of sprayers, and how we calibrate sprayers before using for the chemical applications will be seen in this chapter. In chapter 6, we will see about the crop, high and forage harvester, especially combine harvester, its principle, and maize sheller, thresher, machineries, and mower, rakes, and balers will be seen in this chapter. In chapter 7, storage of agricultural products, principle of storage and storage structure will be discussed. At the end of the chapter 8, the selection and the cost analysis of agricultural machinery operation. These subtopics which are ways to acquiring or obtaining machinery service, estimating of costs, estimating machinery costs such as fixed cost, operational cost, timeline cost, customer cost will be seen in this chapter. And also addition to selection criteria for agricultural machinery selection will be seen and discussed in this chapter. The teaching methods for this course will be the lecture and the practical visits. Evaluation and grading system will be continuous assessment out of 50, and final examinations will be out of 50. The reference, the big reference for this course will be African Farm Tech YouTube channel, because we upload different YouTube's different referenced books on this channel, and in addition to those, there are books which are listed on the your course outline, and the lecture note also given for you. Dear students, this is all about the course outline for agricultural machinery and implement course. In next time, I will come back chapter 1 in detail about introduction to mechanization. Until that, please subscribe African Farm Tech YouTube channel and hit the like button, share for your friends. Thank you for your watching.